Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. I will not take more than 2 minutes because I respect your sentiments and also the time. Actually, it is crossing nearly, it's 2:30. Just with one message that Mr. Subhan, who is also my co-brother and founder and the brain behind this institution, he has done a wonderful job. And his list of friends includes people like our Justice Karju Saab, who is a very senior Justice of the Supreme Court of India. And he can be friends with the 7th standard boy also. That kind of quality is very rare, and it is very important in people who are imparting education. So just with one message, that when we are doing our work as a doctor, as an engineer, as a police officer, only one thing we have to keep in mind, as a 12th century social reformer Basavanna said, Kaya Kave Kailasa. Even the Islamic the rules, they also say that when you are in search of the halal risk or the righteous earning, you are doing ibadat. That is work is worship. So whatever work you do, you either become a doctor, engineer, or some of you have cleared the UPSC prelims examination, you will become officers in different states, etc. Do your work properly so that you bring good name not only to yourself, you are also bringing a name to your place, to a community, and to your country. That is we are all Indians first. So with this message, I wish all the best for I congratulate all the prize winners, and my best wishes to the Falcon Institute. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.